I clean my house in a series of 15-minute tasks which help me to keep my house under control. I rarely have to engage in a marathon cleaning session which only wears me out, and it's not something that I can sustain. This week, I am working in Zone 2, the kitchen, and the series of 4 15-minute tasks that I've chosen include cleaning the microwave inside and out, and then cleaning my kitchen cabinets, but not all of them and not all at once. I'm going to work on them in 15-minute segments. Whichever ones I don't get done this week, I'll put on the list to take care of the next time. All right, so let me get my apron on and we'll get started. This video is brought to you by Aprondiva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. It's day 3, and these are the cabinets I'm working on today. And I'm using a couple of different things. I'm starting out with this Method Wood for Good to get any big sticky things off of there. And then I'm going to go in and then finish up with this Old English polish to help protect the wood. That just leaves them really nice and it gives them a nice finish. So let's get to it. This is a workout, but it's done for today. Well, it's day 4 and I have one 15-minute task to finish up this week for zone 2 in the kitchen, and it's going to be the kitchen cabinet right here next to the dishwasher. It always gets pretty grubby, and then these right down here underneath the sink, they always get pretty grubby too. And I'll be done with those tasks for the week, and then I'll finish up the other cabinets the next time I'm working on zone 2, or if I just have some free time and feel like taking care of it. Let's get it started. This is a quick look at my calendar so you can see what I've got planned for the week. Up here at the top, I've got the various errands and appointments that I've got to do. But down here is where I've got my Zone 2 kitchen and the 15-minute task that I plan to do. On Monday, day number 1, I'm to do the microwave and countertop. On day number 2, which would have been Wednesday, I was to do the pots and pans and spice cabinet. On day 3, which would have been Thursday, I was going to do the cabinets above the stove and then across the counter where I keep the cups and a few bowls and things. And then day 4, the cabinet underneath the counter next to the dishwasher and under the sink. Those are the 4 15-minute tasks for the week. This one I already know may take a little bit more than 15 minutes, but I want to go ahead and get that whole inside piece done and be done with it. And that's how I plan my 15-minute tasks for the week. I take a look at what zone I'm in and then what are the most pressing items. Sometimes I'll look ahead and I'll see something that I want to take care of in that zone coming up the next time around. And that's what I've done this particular week. I put a few things on my to-do list that I'm going to move over to that particular zone when I next come to it. So for example, I noticed a few spots on the wall, so I put the calendar wall here on the list for me to move to the next time I do zone 2. I'm going to wash that area there. I also want to do a quick scrub of my Ninja Foodie grill, wash my kitchen molding and the baseboards, and possibly even paint the windows. So these are on the list for me to remember the next time around I come to zone 2. For more homekeeping inspiration and 15-minute tasks, click here.